Are you ready to learn how to take some Dahlia cuttings? Well, today we're going to be doing it in an aeroponic cloner. This little bad boy spits water everywhere, so be careful not to take the lid off at the wrong time. We've got options like the Seahawk cloner or the turbo cloners, and don't worry, these ones are heavily discounted for the wet boxes. What's happening is the water's spraying up, but we've got lots of oxygen, so your little plants are going to nub up and branch out. Anyway, Jess is about to shoot in now and show you how to take the cuttings. My job here is done. Thanks for coming.
Okay, so Dahlia or Dahlia, it really depends where you come from. Okay, I say Dahlia, tomato, tomato. So I've got a couple of varieties here that we've had going in the greenhouse for a little while, so they've already got some growth on them. I haven't used this before, so this is wonderful learning for all of us. You can throw it better. Yay! We need to make sure we have at least 2 little groups of nodes when we're taking our cuttings. So this is clean, we don't need to worry about sterilising it. You can either take it off right down here, where the tuber meets the little shoot. We'll just give me a little nick off like that. Then I'm going to remove these leaves, right? Because this is where our roots are going to grow from, in here. Put it in like that. We're going to put it in for the sake of the plot. We're going to take a label. It's one we prepared earlier. And this is where our colours come in really handy, because I can just grab my one label that I prepared earlier and I can, for the sake of, just put it right in there like that. So this one we've got a little bit more growth on, so instead of going directly down at the tuber, I'm actually going to take the cutting from up here. So I'm just going to snip it off nice and close to those nodes. These are fresh snips, so we don't have to worry about cleaning them. Take those off like we did last time. And then we want the plant to focus all of its energy and its power into growing new roots. We're going to sterilise this one, give it a little dippy dip. Remove the lower leaves. And there we have it.
Wow, you've done a really good job, Jess. I'm so impressed that you knew to cut the leaves to help develop all the new growth coming through. Now, if we're growing inside, we should have a cloning light above this. 24 hours of light. We want all the light so we continuously try and push energy into the roots. We are using a heat mat underneath to try and hold our temperature at 20 to 22 degrees. Anything higher, we're going to start seeing algae growth. Anything lower, it's going to take a really long time to grow. We are using Growth Technologies Root Zone and CCS products. These are rooting hormones and root stimulants. These are going to help the growth dramatically.